I'm so excited to be standing in front of probably the world's most iconic museum, the British Museum. And where is it located? In the heart of Bloomsbury. This is going to be a fantastic area guide because we're going to show off all the best parts of Bloomsbury and what makes living in this community so very special. But certainly having the British Museum at your doorstep would probably rank as number one. So let's get started. People don't often think of Bloomsbury for its retail, but there really has wonderful retail options. We're standing outside of Brunswick Center, which is an outdoor shopping mall. There's plenty to offer there. You've got the hipper, more modern amenities like a Joe and the Juice and a Waitrose, but wonderful eateries and things around. We're outside of a classic English pub here, and this really appeals to the lifestyle. This is an area that's highly desirable for older community, but also young people. There's a ton of universities and higher education facilities that make this location so attractive. Plus, it's got literary history to it. So living here, you really have so much, as well as outdoor space, but really great to see. Also, you probably get a sense of the mix of residential options that might be here. We've got classic red brick properties that are grade 2 listed. We've got some that are more modern and brutalist styled. You've got this, which I don't know really how to describe it, but it feels a bit 70s Miami vibe. I don't know, that's kind of what it reminds me of. But anyway, the point is there's plenty of choices here in Bloomsbury. What you're going to definitely discover is that there are plenty of housing options here. We're standing in front of a beautiful, classic, traditional property, whether that's Victorian or Georgian or Warden era. You're going to see a mix of that. I've already mentioned you're going to have some more modern properties, the brutalistic style based on, if the area was bombed and then what it got replaced with. So you're going to see a lot of diversity, but it is truly beautiful, especially around the squares. You're going to find the most classic traditional properties, and this is a perfect example. And then if you turn your head a little bit more, you're going to see a very modern 80s type of property that would have been filled in from a bombing site. But lots of options here in Bloomsbury. Well, you can't talk about Bloomsbury without talking about the heartbeat of the cultural landscape of all of the UK, in fact, and that is the British Museum. We're standing at the back entrance because it's a little bit quieter than the front entrance, but this iconic building is truly the largest museum in the UK. It houses thousands upon thousands of artifacts and cultural items from the world over. So you could spend days discovering what's inside the British Museum. But again, if you're living in Bloomsbury, it gives you another reason to come out and get your dose of culture as and when, and really be in the thick of everything. We're standing outside of Russell Square Station, which is one of several transport links that is convenient to Bloomsbury. About a 6-minute walk straight up. You've also got Euston Square and Euston Station, and St. Pancras is not far away. But at Russell Square, you can see the classic burgundy tile, which suggests it's one of the older of these stations here, which makes sense. But you're on the Piccadilly line from this station. So again, super convenient. You can't walk through here and not notice all the young people. So there are so many universities and higher education institutions that also make Bloomsbury highly attractive, and we'll talk about that as well. But from a transport perspective, you are so well connected. If you live in Bloomsbury, you are going to be spoiled for choice in terms of the green space. We're standing in Russell Square Gardens, which is a beautiful city park. It's got beautiful gardens and greenery and what have you, and just a really nice place to have a moment to settle with all the hustle and bustle around. I really love this space. It is a wonderful space, as I've mentioned. This area is thriving with the university population, working professionals, and I just think, again, it's a perfect example of what London does so well, which is to have green space in the middle of an urban environment, and Russell Square Gardens definitely highlights that. As we came out on our way to the tube station, I noticed this blue plaque. You will see plenty in Bloomsbury because it has such a thriving history of literary stalwarts, from Virginia Woolf to others. It really is known for its literary history and that they used to congregate and meet up and discuss things. This blue plaque is for Sir James Matthew Barrie, who was the creator of Peter Pan. So I think it was really great to discover it, and I love just how it highlights that literary theme and that history and soul that is ever present in Bloomsbury. And finally, we are going to talk about some of the universities here in Bloomsbury. You've got SOAS right here, and also talks about the World's University. You have the University, UCL, University College of London, and the University of London and the institutions behind that, Birkbeck University as well. So again, so much here as far as educational opportunities, higher educational opportunities here in Bloomsbury. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've totally enjoyed making it and showing off some of what makes Bloomsbury such a fantastic prime central London location. If you want to know more about Bloomsbury or any of our other area guides, make sure to check them out on the channel. But if you have questions about living in Bloomsbury, what it might cost or what it actually looks like, I love having a free consultation. I can share some of my insights and make sure we're answering any questions you might have. Make sure to check us out on all the social media channels, and you can always reach me on WhatsApp at +44 770 318 3750. Bye for now.